sorry ass DJ.
Hello guys, now I will show you how to set up and download Termux. The Termux app can be downloaded in 3 ways. Firstly, you can download it directly from our website. Secondly, you can download it from our Telegram group. Thirdly, you can download the updated version of Termux from the F-droid app. Now I will show you how to download the Termux app directly from our website. Type BD71 Zone in your phone browser and search. You can visit our BD71 Zone website. You must take a good look at the pick and title of our BD71 Zone website. This is our BD71 Zone website. Here you will find many types of tools for free that you can use for various purposes on your Telegram. Click on 3 menu, select Tools. Select all tools. You can see Termux all details. Here everything about Termux is explained. What is Termux used for and how to use it is explained in detail. You can read them if you want. Go down a little and you will find the download button. Click there and the Termux app will be downloaded. Termux downloading progress. Download complete. Now install it. First, I showed you how to download Termux directly from our website. Now I will show you how to download the Termux app very easily from our Telegram group in the second method. Go to our website, Termux post. You can see the link post of our Telegram group. Click there, and you will go to our BD71 Zone group.
Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold.
You can see our BD71 Zone group by typing Termux and searching there. You can see the Termux app.
It's so cold outside.
You can see the Termux app. Download it. The download is complete. Now you can install it. We have shown you 2 methods to install the Termux app. Now we will show you how you can install the latest and updated version of Termux using the F-droid app. First, we will download the F-droid app. Then from within the F-droid app, we will install the latest and updated version of Termux. If you scroll down a little, you will find the link to the F-droid app. Download it from there. Click on Download button.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
F-droid app download completed. Now install and open it.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web.
F-droid app is a little slow loading. You have to wait a bit. Click on the search button and type Termux there and search. Search Termux. You can see the Termux terminal best and update version. Install Termux 1. Tap to install it. If the F-droid app is like this, you can click on more details and download it anyway. Install it. Termux installation complete. Now you can open it.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I
We have shown 3 methods to install the Termux app. Now you can install the Termux app. Now I will show you how to set in Termux.
Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh,
All the commands for Termux setup are given on our website. If you copy the commands and paste them into Termux A, then your Termux setup will be done.
be closely. I played it innocent.
This is first comment, copy it and paste in Termux.
I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
You can see all the commands for Termux setup, copy it and paste in Termux. Setup complete. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and join our Telegram channel to get free scripts.